Hey guys, it is Lily, and today I am back in Animal Jam, and I got a new look. I really like it so far. I like the colors, the brown and the dark blue. Forgot to change the color of my eyes, but I actually kind of like them. So today I will be, hold on. I actually will be going in Jamaa Township, and you know how, like, you always want people to send you gifts to get free stuff and stuff like that. Because you see other people like Julian too, or Wisteria Moon, or Apari, and they get a ton of gifts. And actually, I will try and put the link down below. Look at this. This girl is not even that famous, 8.5K, and has 336 males. So, well, gifts maybe, or messages. And you probably would want that if you were in AJ. So that's what I will be trying to do because I get zero. Because we're not even that famous. We're not even famous at all. We're noticed by like 40, yeah, we're noticed by 47 people on YouTube. And yeah, so, yeah. And so I'm gonna try and go in Jamal Township and try and get people to send me gifts by saying, please send gifts. It is my B-Day, and that's actually what I'm exactly saying. So let's just go into Jamaa Township. Do, do, do. So I'm gonna go right here, because this is one fancy looking. There we go. We're gonna try and get people to send me some gifts. I actually already have a few. No joke. I have one that's saying Animal Jam Rocks and one that's saying Happy B-Day with gifts attached. This girl just said Happy B-Day. I don't even think. Oh, she can't. Never mind. She's a non-member. That's the problem with non-members. I don't get it. I used to be a non-member. I used to be. So we're gonna. Congratulations. Oh wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. For a second, I thought it was from like an actual member. I'm like, oh, why didn't you send me a gift? Too long and a few realistic masterpieces for a black long jag meat. I don't know what. Never mind. Uh, I don't. So yeah, this is not going so successful so far, honestly, because someone sent me something. For some reason, it said congratulations. What was that? There's a demon in this house. Um, so actually, I already have two, and I really want to freaking open them. So we're actually just gonna say it one more time, give them one more chance, and then go back to my den. Because this video is already 3 minutes long. 3 minutes and 41 seconds. That's perfect. And the reason why I did not do my face in this one is because I kind of don't like using the face in Animal Jam videos, except that one because I had to show you the glitch on my phone, so I had to. And with what I record with, aka Screencast-O-Matic, I'll put the link down below. Um, it's like you have to click one and start the video because you can't redo it. You'd have to delete that video and reset the ones you want. So yeah. Okay. We're gonna go back in my den because no one's sending me any more gifts. So we're gonna go ahead and uh, do this. So we're gonna do the congratulations, thank you for just randomness from Trixie Paws 2. Make sure to go friend them, check out their den. Okay. Chick Q46, thank you so much. Ooh, a rare long bow. Thank you so much. I actually like this. Ooh, I love that. Okay, well, we're gonna send her a friend request. Okay, never mind. We're gonna, and this one, AJ Pink, Tot 1020. Thank you for the Spring Mech Angel Wings. Thank you so much. I will friend you. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Well, thank you, Chick-U46, Trixie Paws 2, and AJ Pink Tot 1020. Thank you all so much. So, yeah, it's not actually my I just want to give. I think I already said that in the beginning. So, I actually, no joke, have always wanted Mech Angel Wings. We're gonna put that bad boy on trade. So, yeah! So we're gonna go to a fresh, new Jamaa Township. Actually, you know what's a good place to get some decent stuff? Watch this. I was gonna go to Wootmoo, but then I was like, no. The only one that actually lets you go in your den is Wootmoo, so never mind. Oh my god, no, it's gonna send me, yep. Okay. Gift you skill things. Well, ah. Oh, they don't. Really, can you be mean to me? It should be. Okay. Please send gifts. My mom actually got a new car today, and it's actually really nice. Please send gifts. It is my B-Day. So we're gonna see if anyone sends gifts. There's like only a few people at the beginning, and then you just try again, and no one. No one will move out of the way. No one can trade you. People are in the way. No. I definitely don't know my betas. I don't even know anything in Animal Jam now. I used to be like a master at Animal Jam, and now I like suck at it. Ah, you're next to me. I definitely don't know my betas. Okay, this girl's kind of dumb. She doesn't realize we can't because there's like tons of people by her username. So I'm gonna try and get some more. Oh my gosh, it's 8:10. No, that's not that late, but it's no, that's not what I was talking about though. It's 8:10 and it's still light out. Oh god, no, 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 no. That showed up on my Instagram. I'm on my Instagram waiting for someone to send me something. I'm still talking though. Oh, there they are! Right there. Tan HD. HD. I will play that for that. Would you like some rares? I actually put on my old phone case and I kind of like it. I'll send you one of these because I'm never gonna use them, and I have two in this. I love, 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 love headdresses, and I've always, always, always wanted one. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add a studded collar. That is too valuable to me. We can get rid of these though for a freaking headdress. We're getting rid of that for a headdress. Those are cool. Rainbow tail armor. Baboo, no. We're gonna give him a ice tail helmet. Oh, no, stop. Thank you. Okay. What else should we give him? One of these, of course. 9 items. We're gonna give one more, and that's this. Are you? I freaking hate when this happens. Don't you just hate that and it doesn't actually let you trade, even though it takes you like forever? So what did I add? I had this, 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 this. Where did that watch go? Right there. Rares. I actually have 3 of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to send some of those because I have a ton of them. Oh, crap. Crap! Look. Okay, there. So, you know, since we might actually have to add in one of those for it, because I might not. Rare Viking hat. I'll throw that in there too, just in case. Okay, what rares should I throw in there? Someone just sent me something. I don't even want these. I hate those. Are you? Shoot me, watch this. And look, it works. Happy B-Day. Thank you so much, Unicorn's Book, for the spring flower crown. I loved it. Okay. I've always friggin' wanted a headdress. That's like my main priority. I've always wanted a headdress. So, oh, this is a girl. Yay, I found her. Okay, that's like legit my one priority, getting a headdress. On a one. There's unwanted stuff on our trade. Okay, I want. She says it's unwanted, so it's not gonna be that hard. You said they were unwanted. Okay, let's go ahead and go right here, of course, add that. Yes. Add some. Add some. Oh, okay, guys. Well, guys, I've been just sitting here trying to trade this person. Well, I actually realize I'm gonna go. So yeah. Make sure to subscribe and like to become Nibbles fam and Happy Onion Squad. And yeah. And the challenge for this week, today's video. Well, yeah. Today's video, the like challenge, it will be actually an easy one. That will be pressing it with your actually no, it's a hard one. Pressing it with your toe. So yeah, I'm actually gonna add this in there. Okay, it's not gonna accept. Watch this. hopefully. Bye, guys.